Right, you just watched me upholster the false floor for the amp and the subs. Finally, we sorted out some material. Like I said before, the material we got wasn't quite right colour, so we then ummed and ahed and stuff and found the right colour, and then we went with this cool embossed patterned material, and I think it falls just on the smarter side of Chelsea. I think it looks good. It's nice, and it adds a nice kind of change to the boot, and looks really cool, I think, and has worked out well. So yeah, trimmed it, and it's looking pretty smart. We were kind of umming and ahhing about doing a how-to on trimming a panel and things. I'll be honest, I'm not an upholsterer, so I didn't want to be leading people down the wrong route of doing stuff. But as you can see, you know, with this having such a defined panel on it, with all the kind of lines and things, you know, I marked it out so that I could try and keep a central line, because I know if I'd not done that and then it had all been slightly off, the moment I'd noticed that, I would have been annoyed with myself and kind of missed a trick. So yeah, so I was keen to keep it all as even as I possibly could. And actually, when you look over it, I know I did a bad job, you know, it's turned out all right. And then, you know, other things like little bits of tricks and things that I've kind of taught myself over the years of doing different panels and things. There's, you know, cutting little corner edges so you're able to move the material around a corner to create your returns and stuff and not have gaps and things like that. So I think, yeah, maybe you might be able to use it as a bit of a how-to, maybe pick up some tips or something, but just see how you go. But yeah, you know, it's all in, and it's looking dead smart now. So, wow, where we're at now? We're at those 4 extensions still need to go in. We haven't done that yet. We haven't had any time. But yeah, so we'll get those 4 extensions in, and then yeah, that's done. I think we're just sorting out roof lining still, trying to find the right material for that is going to work, and also I'll be able to use. Because like I say, I'm not a professional upholsterer, retrimmer or anything like that, but you know, happy to give it a good old bash. And sometimes it turns out all right. But yeah, so it's all getting real nice and close now. Everything can start going back in and get those. I keep saying that, don't I? Everything can go back in. But yeah, so extensions now, roof lining, and we're getting there. But yes, there you go. Looks smart, doesn't it? Have a good gander. And I think that's about it, really. That's how you trim a panel. So thanks for watching. As always, like and subscribe, leave comments and stuff. And we'll see you again soon. Hopefully we'll be even closer to being it done, and we can jump in and start tuning it and really seeing what it sounds like. So yeah, stick with us, and we'll see you again soon.